Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to help you fix Instagram page isn't available right now error on your iPhone or iPad. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry. The steps will help you get your Instagram back up and running. So first, you need to check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause this error, so make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network and try toggling the airplane mode on or off for a few seconds to refresh your connection. After that, you can also check your Instagram server status. Visit websites like Down Detector in your Safari, and if the servers are down, you'll need to wait for Instagram to fix this issue. And also, don't forget to update your Instagram application. Open your App Store, click on the search bar in the top. Now, search for Instagram, click on it, and if you see an update button, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color instead of open, go ahead and select it to update it to its latest and newest version available. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the Instagram app. This can help resolve deeper issues with the app. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead and open your settings application, then go to general and select iPad storage. From here, scroll down and hover over to Instagram, select it, and now select offload application, upload it, and then re-enable it again. You can also try restarting the entire device, which will clear the temporary glitches and refresh your system. This tip should help you fix the page isn't available right now error on Instagram for your iPhone or iPad. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.